That's so cute! No! Oh my god, hold on. Look at that. Look, you can see the fingerprint. In 1971, Malibu Barbie took the world by storm and is one of the most highly sought after Barbies. From Halloween costumes, makeup tutorials, and even clothing lines, Barbie is one of the most iconic characters known today. So it comes as no surprise that one of the most iconic beauty brands in the multi-billion-dollar makeup industry came out with a collaboration with Malibu Barbie. But with all their buzzworthy launches, it begs the question, is this worth the hype? In today's video, we'll be applying and trying out the Malibu Barbie x Colourpop collaboration. Is this worth your money, or is this just another gimmick? Stay tuned to find out. I have the Malibu Barbie palette and this retails for $25. It has such cute packaging. It does have a sunset with the Barbie logo on the front, and it does have the shade names on the back, which is really nice, as well as on the inside, so that's really good. It does come with a mirror, which is a pretty decent size. I would say this is travel friendly. However, the collection also does come with a mirror as well. The mirror does retail for $10, which isn't too bad, but it is a tiny mirror, so we have to take that into consideration. Colourpop also launched 3 lip kits, kind of like the Kylie lip kits, but much cheaper. These retail for $16, and these are in the shade Dream House, Golden Beach, and Malibu Sunset. So last but not least, we have their iconic Super Shock Shadow highlighter, and this is in the shade Beach Party. So I already did my left eye off camera because I did not know what I was going to be doing today. I didn't want to be winging it while I was doing this review. So I was like, let me do my left eye off camera, then come back on and do my right eye. So here we are. I will be using the mirror that comes in this collection today. For my left eye, I just used the mirror that's on my vanity, but I really wanted to use this today to see if this is good quality and see how cute it is. So this does have Barbie on the outside packaging, and on the back we have Malibu. That's what I'm assuming because Malibu Barbie, duh. The unit carton is pink, which is really cute. I freaking love pink, so I will be keeping this collection and displaying it somehow. Oh my god! The inside is so cute! This has a little Barbie and sunglasses on there. I kind of wish they would have sold the sunglasses too. I would have totally rocked these. Then, oh! Look at this, how protected it is. This is so cute. This is so tiny. This says Barbie x Colourpop on it, and it's a heart mirror. I like that this protective, it's a foam. It's literally like, it feels like EVA foam. It just feels like foam, and it's really protective. So you know that your mirror's not gonna come damaged. It shouldn't come damaged. And then we have this film on here, which I'm just gonna, nope. I'm gonna be taking the shade Making Waves and using that as my transition shade today. I'm bringing this pretty much above the brow bone because we are going pretty high with the colors today. I'm taking West Coast and I'm just gonna go over that. And there is a bit of fallout. Because luckily it is not a dark color. When you have darker colors is when it's harder to get rid of the fallout. So far, these colors blend really easily. I'm going to take Best Coast and go ahead and pack that in the crease. With the same brush, I'm taking SoCal and I'm going right above the pink, in between the yellow and the pink. And we're making this ombre effect, almost like a sunset. I'm going in with a clean, fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start blending everything together. All right, we're gonna carve out the lid with some concealer. For the lid, I'm going in with Best Coast. I'm gonna go over it with some Follow the Sun and Vintage Doll. Wow, this is so pretty. That's without applying any Fix Plus to that. So that is bright, okay? I'm gonna leave it as is because it looks so good. From here, I'm gonna take some liquid liner. This is the Wet n Wild liquid liner in the shade Dark Brown. Now that it's dried a bit, I'm gonna go ahead and smoke it out with some Zuma Beach. The only reason why I applied this liner is because the Zuma Beach isn't as dark as I'd want it to be for this look, which makes sense because this is more of like daytime beachy look. That's the kind of palette it gives off, but I really wanted to do like a smoky sunset makeup look. The lashes that came with this are more on the more like daytime side, which makes sense because again, this collection's more of like a daytime, if you want to do a colorful like lower lash line or anything like that. It's not really a, yes, it does have some fun colors inspired by the 70s Mattel doll, but it's mostly a daytime palette, which is really nice because I could use this on a day-to-day basis. With these falsies, I want to make sure that I apply my mascara really well because I want my lashes to be more dramatic, and these lashes are not dramatic, as you can tell on the left side of my eye. It's alright, but they're cute lashes. They're not lashes I would probably use on a day-to-day basis. They're cute if you like more like a little natural, like something. For the lower lash line, I'm taking my Morphe M432 brush and I'm taking Surf's Up and Malibu Memories. Last but not least, I'm taking Cali Girl and Shine On and applying that on the inner corner. Dude, that is so blinding. I barely even had to tap a few times and it's on there and I'm just like, okay, I've done a little too much. We need to chill out. Moving on to the highlight in the collection, we have the shade Beach Party. This packaging, again, just like the entire collection, super cute. I want to, oh, this one has palm trees on the inside. Look at that. Ah, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh no, there's some highlight. I don't even know if this is the shade on the outside of my palette. Do you see that? Can you see that? There's some highlight on the outside of my palette. Girl, this is pink. It's so cute. It's like a cute little like Barbie compact. Oh, I was like, it doesn't have a mirror. It does. It does. It just has a little film on it. I think I'm gonna leave it because I'm weird like, no, let's take it off. Let's take it off. Let's show you guys the mirror because honestly, the mirror is huge. And these highlight, oh no, bitch. Colourpop. No. There's no way this is used. It's a brand new collection. Holy cow. Girl, there are fingerprints in my highlighter. I'm so scared this is gonna pop out. Oh man, okay, let me turn on the contrast so you guys can see this. Hold on, sorry guys, sorry. Okay, can you see this? Do I have to go down a little bit more? Let me see, it's a little too blinding for you guys. I really want to try this out, so I'm gonna put some alcohol on it. Can you see this? Do you, oh my god. I can't even tell if you can see it. I'm gonna take a video with my phone. Okay, here. I'm gonna record this with my phone. And hopefully you can see it on here. Oh, bitch, you can see it. Oh my god, hold on. Look at that. Look, you can see the fingerprint. What the hell? I'm just so confused. Cause like, what? And you can see, okay, like here, you can see that? What the girl. Let me go get my alcohol real quick. Oh, I wiped off the freaking, I accidentally touched. It literally looks like they just tried, like it fell out and they tried to jam it back in. But like, they weren't, if they are using gloves, I don't see how that could be because you wouldn't be able to see the fingerprints. I don't know, I could be wrong. It literally looks like somebody just like jammed it because it's all around the edges. It's not even in the middle. It literally looks like this thing popped out. They're like, oh shit, let me put this back in. And they just like stuffed it in there. Okay, I'm gonna go. I really want to review this. So I'm gonna go get my alcohol and I'm gonna sanitize it really quick because that is disgusting. I'm gonna wash my hands and sanitize this bad boy. Watch, all the comments are gonna be like, girl, why'd you use it? I really want to use this for the, I really want to use this for the review. So sanitized, whatever. Hopefully I don't get an allergic reaction. I'm gonna use the middle because, like I said, it looks like they just tried to jam it back in. So I'm gonna take my Morphe M510 brush and just take the middle of this bad boy. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just a little like annoyed right now because this is such a pretty highlight and the fingerprints just really turned it off. And like when I see shit like this, I'm like, yes, it's disgusting, but also like I can easily sanitize this with some alcohol if I really needed to. But still, girl, that's probably just gonna sit in my collection as is. She cute or whatever. Hopefully the lipsticks hopefully the lipsticks are fine. What's it called? We have 3 lipsticks and they're actually little lip kits, which is really cute for Colourpop because they've never done this before. We have the Malibu Sunset, Golden Beach, and Dream House. And I feel like you can put these together. It looks like you can like put these together and make a cute little picture, but no. So they each have like little beach settings, except for this one has a rainbow on. So this first one is more of like a berry pink shade. Oh my god, I just got it on the lid of the stupid thing. And this second, oh, how cute. This reminds me of like the little play makeup that they used to do as a kid. I want to say they did like little play makeup as a kid, but it has the Barbie logo on it and it says Colourpop, so that's pretty cute. I like that it's iridescent, so that's really nice. I'm sorry, I'm just inspecting everything. It has Barbie on this side. That's so cute. The next one is, sorry, that one was, what was the shade? That one was Malibu Sunset. This next one is Dream House. And this one's more of a mauve. Golden Beach looks more like up my alley for like everyday use. This is more of a nude. Yeah, this is just a straight up nude lip liner. That is like, that looks like my everyday lip shade, honestly. Oh no, I wanna apply all 3, but I feel like I'm gonna make a mess. So let me do the nude first because I feel like as we go, it'll be easier just to. Oh my god, I literally feel like I'm in the 70s right now. I literally feel like I'm about to go to aerobics right now. But yeah, this is not a nude for a dark skinned girl. Okay, that makes it look a little weird. But I'm pretty sure paired with like my Sweet Tea lip liner, it's gonna look amazing. We're gonna do a Dollhouse next. This is a cute pink. I didn't think I was gonna like this, but this is actually a really cute pink. Okay, I like this a lot. This is cute. Again, with me, I don't like to match my lip liners to my lip shade. I like to have an ombre effect at all times, so it's weird, but it's cute. You know, the lip liner is really good. It does show up on my skin tone, so that's really good. Honestly, with the other one, with Golden Beach, if you are my skin tone or darker, I would just say just to get the lipstick, not the lip liner, if that's possible, because it doesn't really show up on your skin. It's not really like, you know. Okay, that is super cute, and this to me is like the super berry Barbie pink. Like this is, I feel like a doll right now. Right off the bat, let's start off with the bad. The bad item that I have to say is the highlighter, only because it had fingerprints in it. Honestly, if it didn't have fingerprints in it, I'd be like, this is amazing, but it had fingerprints in it. This is a no, only because of the fingerprints. If it didn't have fingerprints, I'd be giving it like a, oh, okay, yeah. If yours doesn't happen to come with fingerprints, it's gonna be worth your money. So this retails for $16. Wait, sorry. This retails for $12, and it is worth the $12 without the fingerprints. Just gotta throw that in there. The lashes are $9, and honestly, they're cute. They're nothing super crazy dramatic. They're nice everyday falsies. So if you want $9, it's alright. Compared to like my Kiss Lash Couture lashes, not gonna lie, those are like $8 plus. There's always like a buy one get one 50% off. There's always a deal with that. $9, it's $1 more, but still, it's a good everyday lash. So what I say, the lashes are worth it. I mean, it comes in a cute packaging if you want to get that. It's cute. I don't hate the lashes. They're just not my cup of tea. But if you're more of like a natural lash kind of gal, then these are gonna be good for you. So the lip sets range for $16 each. Unfortunately, you cannot buy them just individual lipstick or individual lip liner. So as I was saying, for Golden Beach, for my skin tone and darker, it doesn't really show up, so there's no point in the lip liner. But the lipstick is great. Again, it would be a nice nude, like in the middle with my Sweet Tea lip liner from Morphe. The lipsticks are really good. They're pigmented. If it can show up on your skin tone, they're great. Girl, what is this? Malibu Sunset. So cute. It's like my favorite out of all of them. They're creamy. I don't think they dry down matte, but you could easily put some translucent powder over it to make it mattifying. But it is really nice and creamy. And the lip liner for this one, girl, so good. So good. The mirror is really cute. It is smaller, so it is travel friendly. It does retail for $10, so I do think I do think that this is worth your coin. It is really cute. It's heart shaped and it has Barbie on it. I mean, come on. It just fits nicely in your hand. I think it's cute. Last but not least, we do have the Malibu Barbie palette that retails for $25. This is definitely a win for me. The shadows are very pigmented. The shimmers are extremely pigmented. And honestly, it's like every other Colourpop palette that I've had. We're not gonna jinx it, but luckily nothing has fallen out of the palette, because if you know, dude, every single Colourpop eyeshadow palette that I have, a shadow falls out and it's always a shimmer shade. So it has to be the way it's pressed, because it's always a shimmer shade, it's never a matte. But I'm going, no. I like that it comes with a mirror, and I like that it does have the shade names on the back. It is really cute, and girl, the packaging is just to die for. Like, they do a really good job on their packaging all the time, and it's just phenomenal. Is it worth your money? I definitely think it is. The highlighter is the only one I have to say that was a downfall to it. I'm sorry, that was I don't know what else to say about that. I really don't know what else to say about that one. I will have everything linked down below for you guys to check it out, so do check out the description box for anything that you have questions on. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button to join the KB family, and also hit that notification bell, because it really helps the girl out and it lets you know when I upload a new video like this one. And I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.